In this video, we're going to be taking this horrible Jason mask that I got from the Dollar Tree and customizing it into a prop that's worthy of a Hollywood movie by mixing two of my favorite characters, Venom and Jason Voorhees. It's hard to believe, but Halloween season is already here. So I wanted to make some videos to help better get us in the mood. And who else better to get us in the mood than Jason Voorhees from Friday the 13th. project. I noticed after the first round of shooting all my ending shots, I forgot to add Jason's signature chevrons on his mask. So all I did for that was mark it off with some painter's tape and then fill it in with some acrylic paint. Now, I was inspired to make this mask after binge watching an awesome YouTuber by the name of Big Hush. His whole channel is dedicated to not only his craft of making music, but also customizing a ton of Jason masks. So after this video, please check the link below and go check out his channel. You may notice on the inside of your helmet you have a lot of sharp edges. Be sure to sand that evenly with the mask or use some hot glue to cover that up. One thing I think I might do to improve this mask is actually running hot glue completely over this area here, just leaving a couple little slits where I can see out of this side of the eye to cover this area. Now on Big Hush's custom, he actually used nylon stockings and put 2 layers over the eye. I've been wanting to customize a Jason mask like this for years, so I'm happy that I finally went ahead and jumped in on this project. And for the sake of this video, guys, I just gotta know, what side of this mask do you like better, the Venom or the Jason? While you're down there in the comments, don't forget to hit the 3-button combo. Subscribe, like, and turn on your notifications. Alright guys, it's time to move on to the next project. This one's all wrapped up. I'm heading out, but I'll catch you on the next one. Hey, if you like this video, be sure to check out my paintings and other custom projects.